Hi, everyone. My name is Amanda Kyla. I'm a teacher for Miami-Dade Public Schools, and I am participating in the master's program of reading and literacy at FIU. Today, I'm going to show you how to use TeacherMade, which is an online program where you can create an edited worksheet for your students. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen where it will take you to the website, teachermade.com. Again, that's teachermade.com. You are probably going to have to sign up, or if you already have an account, you'll go to login. That's going to be me, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And they're running a promo. I'm going to go ahead and skip it because this is a free resource and you do not need to purchase anything at this time. It is free, F-R-E-E, free 99. Okay, this is my best friend when I was teaching in COVID and still now, as I have a student who actually broke her writing arm. So she uses it every single day inside my class. We are going to create a new worksheet. Today's worksheet, I already have downloaded on my computer. So I'm going to upload the file, and it is called Vocabulary Tree Template. It takes a moment for it to upload into the program. If you have a multiple page document, all the pages are going to appear. And all you have to do is make sure that they're clicked or selected in order to upload it into the worksheet for the students. Now, if you didn't want a certain page, all you have to do is click it and it will not be there. But my document today is only one page. I need to make sure it's there. So make sure it has that check mark and press go. You can only upload one document at a time. That's good to know. I learned that very, very early when I was using this tool. So this document, one page, already has the instructions. So I don't need to put teacher text or the teacher instructions box, which comes up differently from student text boxes. So it's very clear that these are the instructions. I already have instructions, so I'm good to go. There's two types of text boxes that are allowed for students. The first one is the short answer or fill in the blank. This text box is going to be smaller, and the students will only be able to put in maybe a couple words, and this is pre-graded. This tool is not appropriate for my worksheet today, but when you are doing fill in the blank answers, it's pretty great. This tool is a drop-down list, so you can create a multiple choice and have a drop-down list of options. Not going to be using that one today because for our worksheet, we're going to have to create based off of root words and then apply affixes and prefixes to the root words to create new words, define them, and give examples. That's the whole purpose of our vocabulary tree. So I'm going to use the paragraph tool. This will not limit the student in how much they are writing, which is perfect because sometimes some of these words have multiple meanings. So I'm going to put two boxes here for the student and they'll see it as a pre-made text box on their worksheet. I'm going to have this one here for the word that has a root and a prefix and affix. I'm going to put one here for connections to an example. Let's do another one on this side and another one in over here. So those two can be connected. I will draw another one here. And you can also move it around or expand it however you need. You know, I didn't want it there, I want it up here. That means also that you might need to adjust it. There's been times where I was just like, you know what? I need more of this space. And then I actually retyped the directions with the teacher text. That was very helpful because some of these documents are a little bit difficult when you do not have paper experiences or face-to-face experiences, but we are going to do wonderfully with this. Okay, so here is what my worksheet looks like in the teacher view. I can have a preview tool that I can open, and this is what it's going to look like for the student. So I'm going to quickly go over what the student is capable of in the free version. They can create their own boxes and circles. I love this tool, the blue pencil. The blue pencil allows you to draw straight lines to items. So if you are trying to underline something or connect ideas and you don't need them to be graded, the students can use the blue pencil. Another great tool is the highlighter. It can highlight certain things. You can also use the pencil to draw stuff. My favorite though, second favorite is going to be the eraser. That one's always helpful. And they can also change the color of their annotations. So if you say, oh, annotate it in orange or do your favorite color today, they'll be able to change their color and mark it that way as well. All right, enough show and tell. We now have to finish our document and have it prepared for our students. This is finished to what I need. You also have a draw the arrow or matching, true and false, multiple choice. You have check boxes. You also have hotspots. So as the student reads, you can create a hotspot. I'm going to create one right here. So it shows that they read the directions, right? This shows me, I'll ask them, hey, make sure you hit the hotspot in order to say that you read the directions. Students should click this hotspot and I'll give them 1 free point for it. Now I'm going to file and close. Oh, I forgot to give the name. My bad. Look at that. Vocabulary tree. Safe. I'm going to share it because I'm actually going to create this for some of my friends. So they'll be able to copy this link and use it for our actual assignment. Okay. Here I'm going to create the actual assignment though for my students. Google Classroom and Canvas is a pro account version. So that is the one that you have to pay. I don't pay for this. It's going to be free through TeacherMade. I'm going to just click using name and ID, and it's going to already give them a customized prompt. You can upload a list of names and IDs. I'm not doing that because I want everyone to be able to submit it regardless of who they are. I might use this for different classes. And if I have a new student, then they won't be able to access it. They have to go and create a new assignment. It's too complicated. So I'll just use name or ID for them to log in, and then I can grade them manually. When you have pre-graded options, these are really great. So then the students can see the feedback. But this is open forum, so I do not need that. These two options must be clicked in order for the students to be able to have free access to those text boxes that they want to create on their own for notes or to draw on for annotations. It's great when you're doing reading because they can follow with those annotations that you've taught them and those good reader habits. Go ahead and save it. It's also really great for math. Okay, last up, you have to share it with your students. So you can easily copy the link, post it in Zoom, put it in Canvas, put it on Google Classroom, Teams, wherever it is. You put that link in and it's going to pop up on this page. This is where they are shown that they get to put their name and then their ID number. Or if you just want them ID numbers, whatever it is, they'll follow instructions and go with it. Start, and ta-da, there's our worksheet. They'll have to click it, say that they read the directions, and then you can work on the worksheet with them, or they can do it individually. After they've finished, type, type, type. Words, 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 right? They've completed everything. They can either save it for later to return to it the next day or for homework or whatever, or they can submit it. Your worksheet is missing. Wow, that is amazing. That is a new feature. I love it. Are you sure you want to submit it? They can say no, but right now, because this is just a test, I'm going to say yes. and it shows that it is submitted. Okay, last bit of information that you need to know as a teacher. Here is where I, a student, have submitted my document. You can click the score option. Clearly, I didn't get a 100, so I can custom the score and change it. And you can also comment. So when they look at their worksheet again, going to the same link, putting in their same name. So if I put in Amanda Numbers again, they're going to see your comment. And then you can also return the submission so they can try again. That's how great it is. I love it. Yay. Now they have a sticker and there's that feedback. And you'll just press close and this will automatically update. Now, if I had someone that was pending, you can view their responses as well as they are working on it. And you'll also see it again when it is submitted. Pretty great tool. That again is free for teachers. I hope that this has helped you. If you have any questions, reach out to me via email. That is akley, Kley 001 at fiu.edu. Or you can reach me up on social media, my LinkedIn, which is Not Your Average Teacher, and my Instagram. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Have a good night.